Hello everyone, you are welcome on Bosca's IT tutorial YouTube channel. If you need to know how to make the partition of disk in computer Windows 10 or Windows 11, follow this video. First of all, make the subscribe and follow this video to know how to make it. So in the computer Windows 11, click on Windows Start plus X and click Disk Management. After Disk Management, choose the disk you want to make the partition.
How it help you.
So here I choose
You have any other question?
disk C. Choose shrink volume. Wait for querying shrink space. The partition is the process of dividing disk in many disks in order to prevent the lack of data, the crash of computer, and other negative effects. So after this, you will see an allocated disk. So here is an allocated disk. You must choose the name and the size of it. Right click on an allocated disk, choose new SIPO volume, then welcome to the new SIPO volume wizard. The wizard helps you to create SIPO volume on disk. A SIPO volume can only be a single disk. To continue, click next. Yes, we choose next. So here, choose the volume size that is between maximum and minimum size. Maximum disk space in MB, minimum disk in MB, simple volume size in MB. Let's use this default. Then click next. Assign the following driver later. So here you can choose the data of your disk for your choice. Let's use this default D. Yes, next. Choose whether you want to format this volume, and if so, what setting you want to use. Do not format this volume. Format this volume with the following setting. Yes. File system is new technology file system. Allocation unit size is default. Volume rubber, new volume. Perform a quick format. Enable file and folder comparison. No. Let's choose next. Completing new SIPO volume wizard. You have successfully completed new SIPO volume wizard. You select the following setting. Let's click finish. So this is new volume. So my dear friends, if you like this video, remember to make the subscribe and then write your comment about how it help you. And then if you have any other question about ICT, you can write in your comment and we can help you. Thank you very much. We'll see you.